Hello, welcome to Marvelous Iran channel. My name is Fatemeh, English and French tour leader in Iran. Today I'm going to show you Ali Qoli Agha historical bathhouse in Isfahan with a magnificent architecture and intricate tile work. Every single Friday and Tuesday, come along with me on a journey through wonders of marvelous Iran. Ali Qoli Agha Bath, which is now held in the Isfahan Museum of Anthropology, is one of the most prominent sites in Isfahan. Ali Qoli Agha Bathhouse, located in Isfahan, is a historic and beautifully preserved traditional bathhouse that offers a glimpse into the bathing rituals of the past. Built during the Safavid era, this architectural gem showcases the exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail of that time. This bath dates back to 1125 AH, which was built by Ali Qoli Agha, who was one of the courtiers of Shah Suleiman Safavi and Shah Sultan Hussein Safavi, with Isfahan-style architecture. If you want to visit a bath that has all the architectural elements of Iranian baths, Ali Qoli Agha Bathhouse would be a great choice. Ali Qoli Agha Bath consists of a large bath, a small bath, and a pond hole space, each of which has two main parts of the house, and the warm and the men and women could use them separately. The large bathroom is designed as a regular 8-sided basin with a turquoise pond in the middle of it, and around it there are platforms that the arch behind it attracts your attention at first glance. On top of the bathroom sarabin, you will see a dome that is located on 8 stone pillars, and the decoration of the 7-color style and the mosaic and lime of the ceiling along with its skylights attracts the eye of every tourist. In this bath, which is also considered the Isfahan Museum of Anthropology, you will see various statues and replicas that in each part of the bath corner of life and livelihood of people of Isfahan. As you step inside Ali Qoli Agha Bathhouse, you are transported back in time to an era of lavish bathing traditions. The bathhouse features a series of interconnected rooms, each serving a specific purpose in the bathing process. From the cool entrance hall to the warm and hot rooms, visitors can explore the different bathing chambers that were once used for relaxation.